So as a final project, we will be implementing something like the following. Let's say you have a video, actually we have a real video and we have parsed that video into frames. We know that video is just a combination of a lot of frames. So these are a lot of frames. How many frames? These are 500 frames, right? And it's sort of a CCTV camera that is also called a surveillance camera. And if I open up an image and if I forward it, actually I'm forwarding it, and you cannot see any change because there's no change in the image, right? Let me do a fast forward so that you can realize a change that comes somewhere over here in the middle. Okay, let me find it out. So you can see how difficult it is to find a change in the frames. By the way, you will be doing it automatically. So here we go. You will be seeing a change. I'm forwarding it, and from here right hand side, you can see a person is coming into the frame, into a CC surveillance camera footage, right? Okay, so our final project will be to detect exactly that footage where some interesting event is happening. We don't need complete footage. Let's say you have a surveillance camera in front of your house. You don't need to see, and something is stolen from in front of your house. You don't need to see the recording of whole day. You can see that there is another change. A car is coming into the frame. And continuing my discussion, you just need to check the change in environment. So the one thing is you can watch 24 hours of video. The other thing is you can just implement this project and you'll be having all the change in environment video clips separated. Actually, not only separated, but annotated as well. So this is our raw video, right? And it goes out for many frames, like sort of 500 frames roughly. You can see that 500 items. And after the scene, again, scene becomes empty. You can see this. Okay, after running our final project that you will learn to implement in this whole course, and you will actually implement step by step by the end of this course, is this. Now you can see that we have only 202 items, which means the irrelevant frames are gone. And if I check this frame, you can see that it is just giving me those frames where something interesting is happening. And it is also labeling that. It is also recognizing that it is a person, this is a car, and stuff like that, right? Isn't it a cool thing? You don't have to watch the whole video. You just have to watch the interesting events. So it is basically, and technically it is called change detection, that we will implement in the course. Now I'm waiting for the car that should come from left hand side, and here we go. You can see that car is coming. So it is all automatically done by the code that you will see in the course, that is available in the course. So I hope that this is quite motivative enough, and maybe in the middle of course you get a little bit bored by why this theory we are teaching you. Every theory will be followed by a practice, and every practice will lead you towards implementation of something like this project. I hope you are motivated enough, and let's go now.